Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you, and I want to do some trail runs this evening, guys. I want to go across the river. It's way all the way over there. It's called Talk Park, and we are going to be driving the Stampede two-wheel drive here. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more content, and thanks a lot for watching RC Overdose. Alright guys, so the servo in the Stampede, it finally gave up yesterday. So I didn't really go out, I just fixed it. And today we are out with a new servo that I had. That's a brand new 2056. Alright guys, so this is the new camera. So yesterday I actually was trying to go out and make a video, but the servo just failed. So I'm pretty sure one of the little gears inside stripped. So I'm gonna open that up and check it out. I just installed a new servo because I already had one. So it's a 2056, brand new installed and ready to go. Guys, the thermal shut down. Let's check it out, guys. Yeah, the thermal shut down. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The journey ends here. I was actually gonna bring the car all the way home, but I think they drove it way too much today, guys. It ran to 2 battery packs. One was a 5800 milliamp LiPo and the other one was the 3000 milliamp nickel metal hydride. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content, and I thank you for watching our video. Have a great day, guys. Peace. Alright guys, so someone just came here and took like 30-40 flowers from here. That's a pretty bad thing to, you know, if you want flowers you can go buy them at Safeway. That is pretty rude, guys. Anyway, let's continue our journey. These though, guys, this is amazing. I mean, I really enjoy the fall as well, just because of this. You only get to see this once a year and it's actually a really beautiful experience. Cheers, guys.